Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Here comes Amazon Prime Day again, or more accurately, Prime Days. It can be a good time to buy some tried and true tech. Amazon always offers good deals on its own brands like Ring and Blink, and don't forget Fire tablets. But look for discounts from other smart home manufacturers like Lutron, which will have Caseta starter kits reduced by as much as 25%. We like their reliability. Check out the deals from Anker and Wise as well. If you have summer adventures awaiting, Prime Day is a good time to look at a deal on GoPro's Hero 12 Black. GoPro not only pioneered the action camera category, it has continued to innovate. And it can go places where your smartphone camera simply can't. And if you jump on early, you can find some deals have already started.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Perfection. That's the goal of every outdoor chef. How to make each bite, each meal fantastic. The Monument Denali 605 Pro Grill unleashes your creativity with an innovative blade infrared burner system and a ceramic infrared sear burner that will bring sizzle to your everyday dishes and those get-togethers with family and friends. And Monument does it with stainless steel style and features that make grilling more fun and easy. Like lighted knobs that indicate temperature settings, Bluetooth, a glide-out propane tank, dual temperature probes, and a rotisserie. Versatility? You can turn this great griller into a pizza oven or a griddle. And that stainless steel design is built to last. The Denali 605 Pro delivers, and it is just a part of the amazing lineup you'll find at monumentgrills.com.